Hi. I'm Linda the Ladybug and I live in your garden. Come play with me. Find the ladybug under the leaves. Well done. Well done. Let's meet my ladybug friends. Lentils. Lettuce. Lemon. Lentils. Well done. I have so many leaves now. Help the ladybugs sort the leaves into the baskets. Well done. Let's share and eat the leaves with my ladybug friends. Feed the ladybugs the leaves they want to eat. Well done.
Welcome to Queen Bee's beehive. Come on kids, let's go in. The bees are to extract honey from the blossoms as per Her Majesty Bee's demands. Will you help the workers collect honey for the queen? The worker bees get ready to complete their mission. Help the workers get dressed to collect honey. Good job. Let's go outside. Tap a flower to help the worker bee extract nectar from the blossoms. Good job. Tap another flower. Good job. Tap another flower. All done. Let's head back to the hive. Tap the a bowl to pour your harvest into the mix. Good job! Excellent! Tap to help mix the honey. Look, the honey looks so tasty. Let's take the honey to the queen. Drag the honey drop to the mouth of the queen. Yummy! Yay! Congratulations on assisting worker bees in completing the mission. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs, who lived with their mother. It was time for them to leave their hut and seek their own fortunes. Before they left, their mother told them, "Whatever you do in this world, do it the best you can because that's the way to get along in the world." A little sad, but with a bit of excitement, they left their hut. After a whole day, they finally found a piece of land where they could build their huts. Tap the object to build the hut. And blowed the hut. The first pig screamed and ran to the second pig. The second little pig built his hut out of wood, bit stronger than the hut of straw. Tap the object to build the hut. He yelled out to the other piglets,
"Hey you guys, I am already finished."
and blowed the hut. Both the pigs screamed and ran to the third pig. Tap the object to build the hut. All three pigs went to the hut. The wolf tried again and again, but could not succeed. The Ant and the Grasshopper. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there were an ant and a grasshopper, good friends. It was the time of summer, and the grasshopper was enjoying the fine weather and playing all day. He was dancing, swimming and singing. Meanwhile, the ant and her family were working very hard every day to collect food for winter. He saw her friend ant and asked her,
My friend, what are you doing in this fine weather?
The ant said, I was gathering some food and was building a shelter for winter. The grasshopper laughed and teased her.
This is spring now, it's the time to enjoy.
But the ant ignored him and go to work. A few days later, winter came, and it started snowing. The whole jungle is covered in snow. There was no food available anywhere. So the helpless grasshopper came to the ant's shelter and pleaded,
Oh dear ant, please give me shelter and something to eat.
The ant replied, I'm sorry my friend, but my food is just enough for my family to last until the end of winter. If I give you more, we too will starve. We had the entire summer to prepare for the winter, but you chose to play instead. The grasshopper was very upset when the ant offered him some food. Now, the grasshopper had understood why the ant was working so hard in the summer. The grasshopper had realized the value of hard work. Moral: it is important to use your time well and add meaning to your life.
My little dog. Select a name for your dog. Daisy. Dodge. Duster. Daisy. Dodge. Duster. Let's play with little dog Daisy. Flesh. Wash the dog with a shower. Scrub the dog with a sponge and soap. Wash the dog with a shower. Wipe the dog dry with a towel. the dogs far.
Hi, I am the mama kangaroo. My name is Jill. Please take care of my baby kangaroo. Feed him well.
Hi, I am the baby kangaroo. My name is Jack. I am hungry.
Tap to select a food item. Drag the flower to the baby kangaroo. Drag the flower to the baby kangaroo.
Hey, I want more.
Drag the flower to the baby kangaroo.
Thank you, I am full.
Thank you for taking care of the baby kangaroo.
See you next time.